Thank you for sending this item to check out. And we are looking at the Bluey 12 Days of Jewelry set. And this is an advent calendar featuring the Bluey cast, Bluey, and Bingo. So let's take a look on the first day. And here, the first day, we have the bracelet chain. It does fit an adult, but barely. So yeah, I got it on, but just not much wiggle room. Day two, we have a charm that says Bluey. Day three, we have a charm, magic wand with the star on top. Day 4, we have the next charm is Bluey with the Santa Claus hat. Day 5, next we have the Keepy Uppy red balloon. Day 6, we have the magic xylophone charm. Day 7, then we have the Bluey on top of a crystal pink heart charm. And the day 8, we have a Bingo charm. Day 9, another Bluey charm. Day 11, we have a necklace chain. And the necklace is 18 inches. I guess I wasn't paying attention. Day 10, we have a chili charm. Then day 12, and we have a bandit charm. And this has been the Bluey 12 Days of Jewelry set.